Hey, what's up guys, back to Joey's Life. So today on Joey's Life, we're going to be filming Big Snowstorm Part 2. So this is Part 2 of the Big Snowstorm that started Thursday evening. Today we're Saturday, December 17. We got another 10 centimeters during the night and it's still actually snowing. It's not accumulating fast, but it's still snowing. So we're going to go past the snowblower again. So here we go. We tried the ATV for the first time in the driveway where there's only 10 centimeters and it was not spinning. Then we tried to go in the yard where there's like 40 centimeters. We were just spinning. So I'm gonna find my toque because I'm not wearing a cap. There's no way I'm gonna wear a cap to go do some snowblower. Cause yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go snowblow. So I can see there's some ATV marks on the ground. So we got it out, tried it in the snow, works very well. Then we tried to bring it into the grass, but because it's big, because it's like very sticky snow, it didn't work. My dad said if it would be like crazy snow like that would fly all over, it would probably have worked, but that's sticky snow, so that's a different story. When it's sticky, it's a different story. I'm gonna do a bit of it with the tractor, but just at the end. And I'm just gonna film my dad. This thing, the snowblower right here, guys. Sticky snow, crazy snow, slush. Nothing stops it. It's unstoppable, literally. Gonna put you guys in here right now. Look at this thing shoot. Lift it to the max right now. The chute, not the deflect. No, the deflector's lifted. Yeah, that's gonna be two long, very long videos. So I'm gonna upload the one that I did yesterday, which was Friday, today, which is Saturday, and this one on Sunday. It's grinding. This thing is harder to learn than cutting grass. I've learned to cut grass with the tractor in about 20 minutes. I've been trying to learn correctly the good ways of passing the snowblower since last year. I'm starting to be better at it, but it's still pretty hard. Harder than cutting grass. It's not the biggest one you can have. It's not the smallest one. It's just that, like, it's in the middle. It's between. It's not the biggest one. It's not the smallest one. It's the medium one, and it's powerful. And the reason why my dad went with this one is because everything's electric. The chute is electric. The deflector, which is the thing that goes up and down, is electric. The chute is the thing that goes right, left. That's electric also. A bit. Well, there's grass here. This is close to the ditch. The ditch is like right here. So we're close to the ditch, yeah. So we got about another, last night we got another good 10 centimeters, like you can see from right here. That's in total about 50 centimeters right here. There's a lot of snow. We got a lot. For the big snowstorm, it was just found a piece of wood. That's not good. A piece of wood is not good. Look at the snow. Look at the full snow. I cleaned it yesterday. It was all clean. Actually, sometimes I like the fact that I'm not driving the tractor because I can feel my dad passing the tractor, passing the snowblower. I don't have time to talk to you guys. I need to concentrate. That's why, Dad, please have to pedal. There, ça va ton dip. What do you say? Non? Go, go, go. Attends, mais laisse ça sortir. Because when I'm on the tractor like yesterday, the problem is that when I'm on the tractor like yesterday evening when I was passing the snowblower, I can't talk to you guys because, and if you guys ask why I can't talk to you guys, it's because, well, I gotta concentrate. Like, I gotta concentrate and look at what I'm doing. I can't talk to you guys and anything, so like, to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This was part 2 of the big snowstorm from last weekend. This reason why I decided to edit it today, well, because first off, it's been on my laptop for like an entire week, and also because it's snowing outside. So today we are Thursday, December 22nd, December 22. I am supposed to finish school, my last day of school before Christmas, my holidays, before my Christmas holidays, was supposed to be Friday, December 23rd, which is tomorrow. But the school is gonna be closed. They told us the school is closed, the bus are canceled because of the storm that's coming up. So last weekend, December 18, we got a big snowstorm, okay? Like December 16, 17, and 18, we got a pretty big snowstorm. We got about 41.2 centimeters of snow. I actually searched it up. We got about 41.2 centimeters of snow last weekend. This weekend we're supposed to have 10 to 15 centimeters tonight. So we're supposed to have by Friday morning, which is tomorrow morning. So by Friday morning we're supposed to have about about 15 centimeters, and there's another 5 to 10 centimeters coming up Friday afternoon, so tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot until Saturday morning. So I'm gonna film a video tomorrow. The video I'm gonna film tomorrow is gonna be uploaded tomorrow evening. The video I'm gonna film Saturday is gonna be uploaded Saturday evening, and the video I'm gonna film Sunday morning of me unwrapping, like opening my Christmas presents. It's gonna be uploaded in the Sunday afternoon, because yes, Sunday we are December 25th. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, guys. I'm just telling you guys right now, just because I'm telling you guys, Merry Christmas to every one of you guys. Thank you for getting me up to 41 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. 3 videos coming up this weekend. It's a lot, but I got that under control. So hope you guys enjoy, and see you next one. Peace out.